recently, doing some work on it. So here's our water tank, and I found out we have an extra spare battery. So I'm gonna get that replaced because it's dead, it's cooked, it's an old piece of crap battery. So, and then once that happens, it should be hooked up to the alternator and recharged while we drive. So that's pretty cool. And that powers over here. So we've got a little tap on our sink, and this is the water pump that was hooked up to these two hoses, which we're gonna have to also clean out that whole system because it's got lots of algae in it. But we don't drink this water anyway, so it's not too bad. But this thing right here is just absolutely dead. Like it was trying, but it was not pumping any water through. There's water all the way through to this, but it's not going past it. So we just bought one on Amazon. We just do a bit of fix-ups while we're here because it's a bit of fun with Aunty, Cathy and James, and they've got the tools, so we're just using them. And I did a silly billy. I did not mark which one was positive and which one was negative. So I'm glad that James has a multimeter, so I'll be able to test that. But for future, if you're replacing a little water pump and it's not the red and black like everyone knows, mark the little points. But yeah, besides that, pretty smooth. I'll let you know how it goes. So this is what we're going to be installing, this bad boy right here. Little pump, got it on Amazon, ordered it yesterday and got it today at, what the heck? Like the middle of the day, which is pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And it was 30 bucks, so that's pretty cool. But right here, there's your wires right here. So I'm going to need to just hook it up in there. And then it's annoying because the out is this way, so I'm gonna have to like put it upside down in it, but should be right. We'll just drill it into the wall like that, and it'll be there for good. Pretty cool. So yeah. Right, turn the switch off.
So this is what we're fixing. It's so that this water can start running again in the sink. So that's what we're trying to sort out.
I'm not a plumber nor an electrician, but look at this. So the pump's all hooked up now. I'm going to drill it in so it looks nicer than that. We turn the switch on right here, and it runs! Woohoo! Yeah! Ah! How cool! I fixed something. So today we're going to be going to see the redwood trees. We're in sunroof. Got matcha. We're in just north of San Francisco in a place called Santa Rosa. But yeah,
are we in Santa Rosa?
Right now you're in
close enough.
Sonoma County.
Sonoma County. That's where we are, by the way, everyone. Just an update.
You don't have to. They're called oyster crackers.
It's optional.
Clam chowder, apparently the best in the business.
Clam chowder.
Clam chowder review. It's really good. That's what it looks like. Really, really yum. And then crab salad roll.
Rated out of 10.
He's a happy boy.
10. He rates it out of 10. Got little oyster crackers to try. Okie dokie. Where are we, Riley?
We are California coastline, Sonoma County.
So, Bodega Bay.
Bodega Bay.
There's a little arch over there in that rock, if you can see it. Probably can't, because oh, you sort of can. Yep. Bodega Bay. This is it.
So pretty. Very cloudy.
North California looks like this, so it's kind of crazy.
I'm gonna get it. Okay, you guys know what time it is. There is a body of water. Means I have to temperature test it. You guys get to be here for the journey. And you go. Oh, it's not too cold.
Not too bad.
Pacific Ocean check. Let's go. Going to be testing this small body of water for a temperature check, but we have to not get caught by the waves, so it's going to be difficult. Okay, ready? Yeah. I just went all over my shoes. You saw that? I was too excited.
All over. Ready? I'll do it. Ready? This is how you do it. Ready? 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 Ah, I did it.
It's very cold.
Pacific Ocean check without getting my shoes wet.
Mine is saturated.
Mine are dry. Mine are okay. Well,
I have heard about that.
these are the redwoods.
That's the fun golf course.
What a good time to have a sunroof.
Literally.
What the heck? The redwood. What's her name?
Delilah.
Okay.
Yeah, Delilah, they on my matas, kata my pololo.
What do you get to say then? Frogs and lizards always have something to say.
Oh, there you go.
She's very relaxed now. She's okay?
It took them a very long time to catch this thing.
But she's super chill.
Chill now.
Chill. There you go.
This is the Colonel Armstrong redwood tree. It's the biggest in this area.
Yep. Okay, go show them how big it is.
You're not allowed to.
Do not enter restoration area. Do not. Oh, we'll just
I can
go a
send
bit
you-
closer. So we all know Ash is super, you know, buff and big, and that tree's bigger than her. I'm impressed.
It's taller than me too.
But this is the height, diameter, and age. He's old as freak. We're at Costco, baby. Woo! Super loud. Yeah, we made it.
Well, it's so funny because everybody that comes from Australia will come.
So this is the trolley so far. We're doing pretty good. Meatballs. Of course, Costco cookies. So pretty cool. Apparently we love these. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Give me my chocolate chip
Tell me
cookie.
an Anzac.
Okay, this is the fullest Costco cart I have ever had in my entire life. Just a whole lot of everything.
We were hungry shopping.
So we're currently getting ready to fill the van. Obviously we're doing this a bit early, but it's got to be done sometime. This is what the van looks like without the tyre. Just taking it off. I'm giving it a bit of a shave down, and then I'm going to reseal it again. And we're going to buff the sides of the van and the front. Put some more blackening paint on here. Moving stuff into Aunty Cathy's house before we go back up to Washington. Ash is currently inside doing some tidying up. How you going?
Good. It's
Bit
very
by bit.
messy right now.
Yeah. But that fan's also taken apart because I'm going to be replacing a little motor in that, so that works. And I'm going to be putting a new battery in as well. But yeah, it's come along nicely. So we'll give you the update as we go. All cleaned up and ready for sale. Look how clean this fridge is. Tap actually works as well. I can do this because Ash has already taken the photo. Look at this. How exciting.
Can we just quickly look at who's taking the video right now?
I smacked myself in the face by accident. And then yeah, all the lights work. It's pretty cool. The fan. And this is our comfy little bed. Crazy. This is the toilet works amazing as well. I should like to leave lights on.
Stay or the front of the bed or something?
And then this is the front. That's our top storage area. As you can see, there's a lot of room.
I might turn that on.
And this is our front little area where it's all clean. So this is what you could be buying if you're coming to America.
Okay.